Hello and good day to all. My name is Nurul Kusuma binti Adnan from Polytechnic Ibrahim Sultan Johor. Welcome to my research paper presentation with the title Integration of Artificial Intelligence, AI, in User Interface UI and User Experience UX, in Shaping Mobile App Packaging. Design, IDPAC Apps, at the 8th International Research Conference on Multidisciplinary in Social Sciences and Technology 2025, Ircmst 2025. Intelligence Digital Packaging, IDPAC, is incorporating artificial intelligence, AI, into mobile packaging design modules to enhance communication between learners and educators. This approach addresses the lack of resources and samples in the packaging design, which can result in unrealistic designs. The study focuses on AI integration in UI/UX mobile prototypes and the packaging design process, aiming to maximize its advantages in the creative design industry. The qualitative methodology includes observation and interviews with educators, learners, and experts. The Design Developmental Research, DDR, involved 3 phases that were employed with the Design Thinking, DT, framework, consisting of 5 stages, which enhance the user experience and usability of IDPAC applications, resulting in increased user satisfaction. Keywords: AI, UI, and UX, packaging design, design developmental research, design thinking. In this research, the digital revolution has significantly enhanced access to education and culture, enabling individuals to connect and share ideas rapidly. The interplay between art and technology has evolved, with science and technology enabling artists to explore new forms of expression. Digital tools assist designers in visualizing complex concepts and developing prototypes efficiently. The introduction of AI has transformed how we interact with technology, particularly in designing user interfaces, UI, and user experiences, UX. AI tools empower designers to create intuitive and personalized interfaces, enhancing their creative processes. This study was divided into 3 categories of research paradigms: AI in the creative process, AI in UI and UX mobile apps, and finally, AI in packaging design. Packaging design education faces significant challenges, including limited access to high-quality reference samples, ineffective communication and feedback, and a lack of real-world constraints and user feedback. With this IDPAC app, these problems will be addressed by providing a platform for students to access a wide range of packaging design examples, receive instant feedback from educators and industry professionals, and simulate real-world design challenges. This innovative approach will better prepare students for success in the competitive field of packaging design. In this study, the researchers used the Adaptation Conceptual Framework in Design Developmental Research, DDR, along with design thinking, DT approaches from Mod Ridwan Padzil, Ida Abd Karim, and Hazrati Husnin, 2021, as their main idea. The DDR research paradigm was employed with DT to develop the IDPAC apps. DDR consists of 3 phases. First is need analysis, aligning with DT 1 and 2 phases, empathize and define. Meanwhile, DDR, the second phase, is design and development employed with DT 3 and 4 phases, ideate and prototype. Finally, the third DDR merged with DT 5, the evaluation phase, to develop the IDPAC apps and achieve the research objective clearly. The figure, as shown, is a more detailed explanation of how the DDR and DT work together. This research aims to develop a mobile prototype app design for packaging design modules, with the potential of AI concepts as supportive tools to improve and enhance the quality of teaching and learning through mobile learning experiences with a better understanding inside or expanding independently outside the classroom. The research objectives are to analyze the potential of AI in the design process for packaging design modules, to identify suitable UI and UX attributes for mobile prototype packaging design modules, and to develop mobile packaging design modules incorporating AI as a supporting tool. Finally, how does AI have the potential to be used in the design process for packaging design modules? What functionalities should UI and UX include in mobile prototypes to improve the quality of teaching and learning in packaging design modules? Lastly, what are the most essential elements to consider when developing mobile packaging design modules using AI as supportive tools? A literature review on UI and UI mobile apps. A key characteristic that facilitates this includes drag and drop interfaces, device-specific templates, interactive gestures, real-time collaboration, and the capability to simulate application interactions. Clark, 2024. Moreover, according to Meyer, 2023, and Stevens, 2023, the various potential AI components and their interconnected relationships, like machine learning algorithms, natural language processing, and computer vision, can work together to enhance the UI and UX design process. In addition, UI and UX design elements also refer to the systematic approach designers employ to construct visually appealing and aesthetically pleasing interfaces in software or digital devices. S. Astuti, A. Fitriana, Wan Ahmad, Ratna Emawati, and Hassan, 2021. The literature review focuses on packaging design. A product can be positively portrayed and attract attention with visually appealing elements like typography, color, and imagery, positively portrayed and attract attention with visually appealing elements like typography, color, and imagery. Rosen, 2022. Moreover, according to Chituri, Londoño, and Henriquez, 2021, Fishes, 2019, and Lee, 2019, this visual element consists of color, graphics, the size and shape of the packaging, and the pattern composition. In addition, the visual elements aspect can be categorized into two categories: verbal aspects, product details, brand name, and manufacturer and country of origin, and visual elements, color, graphics, size, form, and typography. Srivastava, Ramakanth, Akila, and Gaikwad, 2022. The literature review focuses on DDR in developing a mobile app. The design and development research, DDR methodology, is utilized due to its flexibility and adaptability, which enables modifications during the development process. Hassan Hadi and Muhammad Zuhair Zainal, 2024. Therefore, this methodology, referred to as developmental research, is employed in this work to purposely and effectively develop and construct a model more practically. Hasbullah, 2023. Lastly, DDR employees implemented DT, and focusing on the skills and knowledge involved in the design process will better equip students to tackle today's challenges. Mohad Rizwan Padzil, Aida Abd Karim, Hazrati Husnin, 2021. The literature review focuses on design thinking, DT. Design thinking, DT, is a methodology designers create to improve product innovation by considering user demands from their perspective. Lazuardi and Sukoko, 2019. By incorporating AI into the design process, designers can better understand user behavior and preferences, leading to more tailored and practical solutions. Therefore, DT is a human-centered design approach, emphasizing innovation and problem-solving. Pradana and Idris, 2019. In the end, design thinking consists of 5 stages: empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. Larissa and Marta, 2019. This research employs a qualitative methodology that proposes a design model to address the challenge of creating packaging modules in UI and UX mobile applications. The model outlines steps for data collection and analysis, including ethical considerations. AI is recognized as a potential tool for developing prototypes, with the design process and packaging design module factors treated as independent variables. The DDR-employed DT framework has proven effective in guiding the design process and ensuring that ethical considerations are prioritized. Furthermore, the research suggests that incorporating AI into the design process can result in more efficient and innovative solutions for packaging modules in mobile applications. Figure 2 shows the details of research conceptual frameworks and how they can be integrated for optimal app development outcomes. By utilizing both DDR and DT frameworks, developers can create apps that meet the learning objectives but also provide a seamless and enjoyable user experience. This approach is essential for ensuring that apps are effective tools for education and training in various settings. In terms of results and discussion, the 5 phases in the design thinking process are empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and test. These stages facilitate the design process by emphasizing the comprehension of user requirements, delineating issues, developing concepts, formulating solutions, and evaluating their efficacy. By following these procedures, designers may guarantee that the finished product aligns with user expectations and operates well. This systematic method facilitates a comprehensive comprehension of customer requirements and ensures the product is customized to satisfy their expectations appropriately. The iterative nature of the approach enables continuous improvement based on user feedback, resulting in a more user-friendly and efficient finished product. DDR Phase 1 Needs Analysis. DT Stage 1 Empathize. 9 individuals, including lecturers, students, and creative experts in the UI, UX, and design industry, participated in the interviews for this stage. The demographics included both females and males. The lecturers, aged 30 to 40, have a mix of education and experience. The students, aged 20 to 25, are studying graphic design. The experts, aged 25 to 40, have experience in software engineering and graphic design. Artificial intelligence, AI, is being used in education to inform students about current developments, promote understanding of creative technology, and enhance engagement and learning outcomes. Generation Z is using AI to expedite instruction, accelerate learning, and bridge the gap between traditional teaching methods and the digital age. AI tools like ChatGPT, Adobe Firefly, Midjourney, Ideogram, Suno, and Runway are revolutionizing student interaction with educational content by providing personalized feedback and support. This integration caters to individual learning styles and abilities, leading to more effective learning outcomes. By adapting to this framework, educators can intentionally implement AI technologies, benefiting both teachers and students, and ensuring that AI integration is meaningful and purposeful, leading to improved student learning outcomes. Furthermore, recognizing this, packaging design is vital for visual communication and brand identity, as it represents the first point of contact with consumers. Imagery conveys emotions, connects with consumers, and distinguishes products. Moreover, typography enhances brand identity, clarity, and visual appeal, setting the tone and aiding customers in understanding product information. DDR Phase 1 Needs Analysis. DT Stage 2 Define. The researcher identifies a specific problem based on user needs and insights from interviews. These insights are then analyzed to target the issue, which could relate to packaging design. Potential solutions are brainstormed and evaluated for feasibility and effectiveness. The packaging design process involves creating recommendations and solutions. The design process for packaging design consists of creating recommendations and problem solutions as stated below. 1. A user login for the mobile packaging design module. 2. A design process for the mobile packaging design module. 3. A Verify Me section page. 4. A Contact Me section page. 5. A User Profile section page. Brand identity of mobile packaging design module. Logo, rationale, and typography of IDPAC app. In this stage, the ideas involved that will be utilized in the mobile application are organized and managed to identify solutions for the problems recognized in the second stage. Upon completing the solution ideas, they will be categorized according to essential criteria such as feasibility, cost-effectiveness, and user impact. This process ensures that the final product addresses the needs and expectations of the target audience while being practical and efficient. As illustrated in Figure 3, the researcher ranked the ideas and supervised the 4 categories of the design process for the mobile packaging design module. Firstly, design research encompasses 8 categories: design brief, SWOT analysis, target audience, concept and idea, image application, visual package reference, die line references, mood board, package structure, die line diagram, package design, label design, and final package, packaging design, mock-ups. Finally, the researcher conducted user testing and collected feedback to implement any necessary adjustments before finalizing the mobile packaging design. This iterative process allows for continuous improvement and ensures a high-quality product that resonates with the end user. DDR Phase 2, Design and Development. Stage 4, Prototype. The prototype is a key component in the user flow design process, allowing for hands-on testing and evaluation of the packaging design before the final development and publishing of the mobile application. The low-fidelity and high-fidelity UI and UX mobile app designs, developed using Figma, allow users to customize their own packaging designs and receive feedback from industry professionals. The app includes tutorials and resources to help users understand packaging design principles. This is the user flow chart of the IDPAC app. Here is a figure that shows the details of how the IDPAC app is working in the mobile app. Application style of IDPAC app. The UI and UX design are contained in the application style. It involves essential designs such as the color scheme, font, buttons, and text style defaults for the IDPAC application. This will help create a cohesive and visually appealing user interface that enhances the overall user experience. Additionally, focusing on accessibility features and responsive design will ensure that the IDPAC applications are user-friendly across different devices and platforms. The UI and UX design enhance the user experience and ensure easy navigation within the IDPAC application. It needs to be visually appealing, user-friendly, and consistent with the overall brand image of the IDPAC application. The results are shown in Figure 4 in the detailed description. DDR Phase 3 Evaluation DT Stage 5 Test user testing for IDPAC has concluded, ensuring the final product meets consumer expectations and identifies potential usability issues. A final prototype has been developed, which will undergo a final round of testing to address any issues before launch. Feedback from this testing phase will be crucial in final adjustments to the IDPAC application, ensuring the best user experience. The application is divided into 4 main sections: main section page, packaging design process, user profile authentication, and packaging design submission. Each section aims to provide a seamless user experience and intuitive navigation, aiming to simplify the packaging design process for all users. Figure 8 shows the final IDPAC app interface, highlighting the clean design and user-friendly layout. The development team is confident that the app will meet the needs of users and provide a valuable tool for packaging design. Therefore, the IDPAC application has been registered in Google Console as a published application on the Play Store for Android users. Meanwhile, Apple users can download the IDPAC app in the App Store for the iOS platform. This ensures that the app is easily accessible to a wide range of users, regardless of their device preferences. Moreover, IDPAC mobile applications have been registered with the Intellectual Property Corporation of Malaysia, MyIPO, for copyright in notification number CRR 2025G0267, and all contents are reserved for consent. Additionally, regularly updating the application and addressing user concerns will help maintain a positive reputation and keep users engaged. Protecting the intellectual property rights of the IDPAC application ensures that all content remains secure and exclusive to the developers. This innovative use of technology enhances the learning experience and equips students with valuable skills that are in high demand in the rapidly evolving field of packaging design, independently outside the classroom, as a supporting tool for continuous learning and professional development. In conclusion, the DDR and DT frameworks are a structured approach to problem-solving in developing IDPAC apps. Moreover, IDPAC apps are personalized guidance that provides tailored feedback and recommendations for students. Therefore, student engagement is increased through interaction and interest in learning. In addition, the creative enhancement can encourage more innovative and original design solutions. Lastly, this study also constrains a limitation, which is the cost of developing mobile apps and UI and UX in terms of regulation. Future recommendations for this research should focus on the effectiveness of IDPAC, which encompasses inclusivity, accessibility, and the diversity of learning styles. In terms of framework development, it can serve as a creative guideline for addressing implications in ethics, social issues, and the economy. For the curriculum enhancement, hands-on experience in practical skills can be tailored to comprehensive resources. In addition, AI-powered learning module can focus on technology integration in creativity enhancement, and lastly, for professional success in the future. For those interested in delving deeper into the background of this study, here is the complete list of references provided in the paper. In conclusion, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the esteemed panel for this presentation. I also extend my appreciation to my dedicated mentors and family for their unwavering support and guidance throughout this process. Finally, thank you to the audience for your attentive presence and keen interest in my research. We hope this presentation has provided a clear and comprehensive overview of our findings and their potential implications. Thanks for your time and consideration.